Representatives of Libya's rival legislative bodies, the Eastern-based Parliament and the Western High Council for State, have announced that they have reached an agreement over the election laws. The two bodies have agreed that the presidential election will be carried out in two phases, regardless of the results of the first round. Under the new law, military officers and dual nationals will be allowed to run for president, so as long as they drop their foreign nationality before the runoffs.
The biggest compromises made were from the Western side. They have responded to the pressure from the Eastern-based parliament to allow dual nationals to run for president. This suits Bill Gashem Haftar, but it's a dangerous road. How can anyone accept that a person with a different nationality who has loyalties to another country would rule Libya? Many members of the High Council for State rejected that.
Allowing military officers and dual nationals to stand for the presidency resolves one of the biggest election-related differences between rival Libyan politicians. Others, however, still remain. Among them, the order in which the parliamentary and presidential election will be held remains a bone of contention, and whether the current government of national unity or a new cabinet will lead that transition to elections remain sources of differences.
The east of Libya, namely the parliament, wants to see the presidential election held first, then the parliamentary elections afterwards. Khalid al-Meshri and most Libyans won't accept that. You cannot bring a president to lead the country without a clear constitutional foundation for Libya.
The United Nations Support Mission in Libya says it appreciates the efforts led by the 6+6 Legislative Committee this week that led to the deal on the polls. It, however, says the outcomes of those meetings will need the support of all stakeholders in Libya, and the UN mission has pledged it will continue to work towards addressing all contested issues.
Aqila Saleh and Khalid al-Mishri, the leaders of the Libyan parliament and the High Council for State, should travel to Morocco within the next few days to sign the legislative agreement. They are facing resistance, though. Dozens of MPs have objected to the outcomes of the 6+6 Legislative Committee. Experts say that could be a healthy sign, as it indicates that compromises have been made on both sides. Adel Mahroui, CGTN, Cairo.